Welcome back, adventurers! Today we're diving into the safest Caribbean islands for solo female travelers. The Caribbean's magic is undeniable. Turquoise waters, vibrant culture, and endless sunshine. But as a solo woman, safety is always top of mind. Today, I'll share my top 10 picks for safe, welcoming Caribbean escapes. Perfect for your next solo adventure. Ready to chase the sun with confidence? Let's get started. First up is Aruba, famously known as One Happy Island. Aruba stands out for its low crime rate and genuinely friendly locals. The island is easy to navigate, whether you're strolling through Oranjestad or exploring Aracoc National Park. Tourist areas like Palm Beach are lively and well lit, making solo evenings feel safe and social. The community spirit here is real. Locals go out of their way to help, often walking with you to your destination. Dining alone? Expect warm conversation and a sense of belonging. Aruba's infrastructure is top-notch, and you'll never feel isolated. It's the perfect, gentle entry into solo Caribbean travel, where natural beauty meets heartfelt hospitality. Lounge on world-class beaches by day, enjoy vibrant culture by night, all with peace of mind. Aruba truly lives up to its happy reputation. Next, we head to Barbados, a blend of British heritage and Caribbean warmth. Barbados is known for its stability, strong tourism infrastructure, and that famous Bajan charm. Locals are genuinely interested in your well-being, making it easy to connect and feel at home. Safety is cultural here, with a visible police presence and deep respect for visitors. Whether you're exploring Bridgetown or joining a Friday night fish fry, you'll find spontaneous, welcoming interactions everywhere. Accommodations range from secure luxury resorts to cozy guest houses where owners treat you like family. The island's balance of adventure and security empowers you to explore confidently. Enjoy stunning beaches, vibrant culture, and delicious food, all underpinned by a sense of safety. Barbados is a place where solo travelers thrive. St. Kitts and Nevis are the Caribbean's best-kept secret for tranquility and safety. Life here moves slowly with a small-town vibe where everyone looks out for each other, including visitors. Crime is low, and the island's peacefulness is palpable. Explore Brimstone Hill Fortress or relax in Basseterre, feeling like a welcomed guest, not a target. On Nevis, the magic intensifies. Cycle around the island, stop for fresh juice, and enjoy genuine, respectful interactions. The island's small scale means you quickly become a familiar face, building a comforting network of friendly locals. It's the opposite of city anonymity. Here, you're part of the community, perfect for those seeking quiet beaches, rainforest hikes, and soulful solitude. St. Kitts and Nevis offer a sanctuary where you can truly unwind and reconnect with yourself. Peace and security are woven into daily life. The Cayman Islands offer luxury, order, and exceptional safety. Grand Cayman is clean, organized, and boasts top-tier amenities, ideal for solo travelers who value comfort. 7 Mile Beach is stunning, safe, and lined with reputable hotels and restaurants. Crime rates are low and the government invests heavily in security. Explore Georgetown or Camana Bay with ease, or join well-managed tours like Stingray City for safe group adventures. Sister islands Cayman Brac and Little Cayman offer rugged beauty and a close-knit, protective community. While pricier, the Caymans deliver unmatched security and quality. Here you can enjoy world-class nature and peace of mind. St. Lucia's dramatic landscapes are matched by its supportive, welcoming vibe. High-end resorts create a professional, security-conscious environment, but the real magic is in the local communities. Stay in a guest house, and you'll find hosts eager to help and connect you with authentic experiences. Locals are friendly and protective of visitors, especially in smaller towns. Join guided hikes up Gros Piton or catamaran tours for safe, social adventures. Dress modestly, stay aware, and you'll be met with warmth and respect. St. Lucia offers both adventure and relaxation, with activities that feel safe and inclusive. The island's contrasts, mountains, bays, luxury, and simplicity make it captivating. For confident solo travelers, St. Lucia is deeply rewarding. Challenge yourself, relax, and immerse in vibrant culture. Turks and Caicos is paradise for beach lovers seeking peace and security. Grace Bay Beach is world-renowned, and the island's calm, low-key vibe creates a serene, safe environment. Crime is rare, and Providenciales feels well-managed and welcoming. Enjoy long solo walks, respectful service, and a cosmopolitan community. Renting a car is easy, and exploring secluded beaches is safe and straightforward. Group boat excursions offer adventure with a focus on safety and eco-consciousness. Turks and Caicos is upscale, with security and order to match. It's the ultimate destination for a luxurious, worry-free solo escape. Antigua boasts a beach for every day of the year, but its true charm is the helpful, relaxed culture. Locals are approachable and quick to offer assistance, making solo exploration feel safe and supported. The island's laid-back pace encourages you to slow down and enjoy the moment. Rent a car and discover everything from lively Dickinson Bay to secluded Fry's Beach. Bermuda, Antigua's sister island, offers untouched beauty and guided adventures, perfect for solo travelers. Sunday evenings at Shirley Heights are a must. Join locals and tourists for music, barbecue, and breathtaking sunsets. The festive, friendly atmosphere makes it easy to connect and feel included. Tourism is respected, and visitors are welcomed with open arms. Antigua and Barbuda are ideal for those seeking both adventure and genuine hospitality. Here, every day feels like a celebration. Grenada, the Isle of Spice, is defined by its strong sense of community and warmth. The island's small size means everyone feels connected, including visitors. Locals greet you with smiles and genuine interest, making you feel seen and safe. St. George's is perfect for solo exploration with friendly markets and no pressure. Take local buses, visit rainforests, and you'll find people eager to help and share their culture. Family-run guest houses and restaurants offer personal, secure experiences. You're treated as a guest, not just a customer. Grenada is perfect for solo travelers who value connection and authenticity. Explore lush landscapes, relax on Grand Anse Beach, and feel embraced by the island's spirit. Here, safety is about community care. Bonaire is a haven for eco-conscious solo travelers. The island's focus on sustainable tourism and marine protection creates a calm, responsible atmosphere. Crime is almost non-existent, and the diving community is tight-knit and welcoming. Shore diving offers independence and adventure with over 80 accessible sites. Kralendijk, the main town, is safe and friendly for solo walks and dining. Joining dive or snorkel groups is an easy way to connect with like-minded travelers. Bonaire's peaceful rhythm and respect for nature make it ideal for women seeking both activity and tranquility. Independence and security go hand in hand here. It's a destination where you can explore freely and feel at home. The Bahamas offers both bustling hubs and tranquil escapes for solo travelers. Nassau and Freeport are lively, well-patrolled, and packed with solo-friendly activities. Just use standard city smarts. Stay in main tourist zones for safety, and enjoy everything from resort day passes to cultural tours. The real magic lies in the out islands, like Eleuthera and the Exumas, where small communities and deserted beaches offer profound peace. Rent a cottage, explore hidden beaches, and connect with locals who are protective of their way of life. Group boat tours in the Exumas are safe and unforgettable. The Bahamas lets you choose vibrant city energy or the security of close-knit island life. Adventure and safety go hand in hand here. Whether you crave activity or solitude, you'll find your perfect fit. The Bahamas is a solo traveler's dream, no matter your style. Just a short hop from its bustling neighbor, Tobago is the Caribbean's best-kept secret for solo female travelers craving safety, serenity, and genuine connection. Here, the pace is gentle, and the people are famously friendly. Don't be surprised if you're greeted by name after just a day or two. Tobago's crime rates are among the lowest in the region, and its close-knit villages mean everyone looks out for each other, visitors included. Explore the vibrant Scarborough Market, where local artisans share stories along with their handmade crafts, or unwind on the powdery sands of Pigeon Point, where lifeguards and fellow beachgoers ensure you always feel secure. For those with an adventurous spirit, hop on a glass-bottom boat tour or hike the Main Ridge Forest Reserve with a local guide. Many operators offer women-only excursions, perfect for making new friends along the way. Travel tip-op for guest houses and boutique hotels in areas like Crown Point or Buku, where hosts often organize group outings and cultural nights, making it easy to connect with fellow travelers. With its unhurried charm, supportive community, and a focus on safety, Tobago invites you to embrace the freedom of worry-free wandering, all while soaking up the island's unmistakable warmth. Just beyond the Caribbean's more crowded shores lies Anguilla, a radiant reef-fringed sanctuary renowned for its unwavering commitment to safety and its open-armed hospitality towards solo female travelers. In Anguilla, peace of mind comes standard crime rates are impressively low, and the island's close-knit community is quick to look out for visitors, especially those exploring on their own. From the moment you arrive, you'll notice how locals greet you with a genuine good morning, and how restaurant staff, taxi drivers, and shopkeepers often go the extra mile to ensure you feel welcome and cared for. English is the official language, making navigation and conversation a breeze, while the island's compact size means you're never far from a friendly face or a stunning stretch of sand. First-time visitor? Start your journey in the vibrant village of Sandy Ground, where beachside eateries let you sample local flavors in a relaxed social setting, perfect for meeting fellow travelers or chatting with residents. For solo explorers, Anguilla's public beaches are safe and easily accessible, with lifeguards on duty at popular spots like Shoal Bay. Take advantage of guided boat tours and snorkeling excursions, which often cater to small groups and provide a supportive environment for making new friends. Travel tip: choose locally owned guest houses or boutique hotels where hosts are happy to share insider tips, arrange island tours, or even introduce you to community events like live music nights or art shows. In Anguilla, you're never just a visitor. You're a welcomed guest, embraced by a culture that truly values connection and care. For solo women, Anguilla isn't just a beautiful destination. It's a tranquil retreat where every day begins and ends with a sense of belonging and peace of mind. If you found this guide helpful for your solo Caribbean adventures, don't forget to like, share this video with fellow, and subscribe. Your support helps us create more content to empower and inspire solo female travelers just like you.